Hello friends, happy Sunday. KC channel presenting today's video online survey. Very easily, very quickly design your questionnaire, conduct survey in online. The online tool is formsite.com. In this website, by using our email account, we can sign up as a user and we log in and we can utilize the features. What is application? For school teachers to engage your students in the online platform, conduct online test, we can use this website. Very quickly we can design our questions, subject questions. For example, marketing executive to conduct a marketing survey through online. Very easy. We can design the questionnaire and share this questionnaire through WhatsApp. For a research scholar to frame the questionnaire for their PhD, for their MPhil research, or for doing any research for any funding agency. Very easily we can create the questionnaire. Very easy steps. What is the special feature here? Ready-made forms available in each discipline. For example, in education industry, every college, every school organizing alumni meet. The end of the alumni meet, we are collecting feedback form. No need to prepare the questionnaire. Already the alumni feedback form available in this website. For example, marketing, you want to get a survey about customer opinion. The ready-made questions available. If you want to edit, you can edit. No sir, I want to create my own question. You can create by using the creator, by using the create button. You can create from the starting to the end. Our own questions we can create. For creating your own questionnaire, there are so many buttons there. If you want to give short answer, if you want to give new numbers, you want to give some long answer, checkbox or image, signature, any kind of things available here. Different color, different styles available. We can conduct examination by fixing the time. What time the question open, what time the question closed. Students complete the exam within the stipulated time period. For example, any registration, webinar, seminar, conference registration, we can close the questionnaire. So we are preparing the questionnaire, sharing the link through WhatsApp. So by 5 o'clock, after 5 o'clock, the people can't able to register. So we can set likewise. We can share the link by copy the link and paste it in your Google Meet, in Zoom meeting or in WhatsApp, Telegram or email. After the response, this is the result. The one respondent give me the result. Satisfaction. What is the alumni feedback of one student I received? So the detailed report I able to get it in my screen itself. Analytics, yes, additional information from which place the person by using which mobile, Android or iPhone, by which mode answers made. Detailed analytics, male, female, everything will be able to, we can get the analytics information by this formsite.com. Thank you friends. Share this video to your friends. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.